Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into something genuinely fascinating. Not a supercar, not a giant SUV, but a tiny electric vehicle that's been making big waves in the EV world, the Wuling Hong Guang Mini EV. This is one of those vehicles that look simple at first glance, but reveal thoughtful engineering and value when you look closer. Let's unpack every angle, from its design DNA and performance to real-world usability and who it's actually for. Imagine a vehicle that lives where city streets are narrow, parking spots scarce, and daily trips rarely exceed 100 to 150 kilometers. Now, shrink that idea down, plug it into electricity, give it 4 seats, and you've got the Hong Guang Mini EV. It's one of the purest interpretations of an urban electric runabout ever mass-produced. When it first arrived, it immediately turned heads simply because of what it represents. It's a true micro-EV rooted in the idea that electric mobility shouldn't be expensive or gargantuan. It should be accessible and practical. At its heart is a compact electric motor mounted at the rear axle, producing around 20 kilowatts of power and approximately 85 newton meters of torque. That translates to about 27 horsepower. Nothing earth-shattering, but just right for city driving. Now, I know what you're thinking. 27 horsepower? Really? Yes, really. And don't underestimate it. In a vehicle that weighs just 665 to 705 kilograms, that power feels surprisingly lively in stop-and-go urban traffic. Because the entire vehicle mass is so low, even modest motor output delivers acceptable acceleration for city speeds, with a top speed of roughly 100 kilometers per hour. That's more than enough for backroad cruising and suburban commutes. Under the skin, the Mini EV uses a lithium-ion battery pack. Depending on the variant, you'll see battery capacities from about 9 kilowatt-hours up to around 13.8 kilowatt-hours in earlier models, and even larger packs in more recent iterations. On the smaller end, that'll deliver around 120 kilometers of range on a single charge, perfect for daily city use. The larger battery bumps that to around 170 kilometers, and in more recent trims, even higher figures are seen in extended versions. Charging is straightforward. Using a standard household 220-volt outlet, the smaller battery will take roughly 6.5 hours to reach full, and the bigger one closer to 9 hours. There isn't much in the way of high-speed fast charging in the base versions. This is deliberate because this car's DNA is all about daily use and simple overnight top-ups. Design is where the Mini EV really shines in its own charming way. It's compact, noticeably shorter and narrower than most hatchbacks you see on the road, yet it makes clever use of every millimeter. The cabin can seat 4 people, although realistically the rear seats are best for kids, shorter rides, or lighter adults. It's a bit like having a tiny living room on wheels, a snug, efficient space that gets you exactly where you're going with minimal fuss. From the outside, the styling is playful and friendly rather than aggressive. Rounded corners and simple surfaces give it a youthful, almost toy-like vibe. But that's part of the charm. This isn't a design that tries to be a supercar. It's a design that says, let's move around town, pain-free. Inside, don't expect leather-wrapped dashboards or sci-fi control screens. The interior is utilitarian, built with hard plastics and straightforward controls that are easy to understand. But that doesn't mean it's bare bones. Many versions come with basic comfort features like air conditioning, power windows, a simple digital dash display, and sometimes even a reversing camera. The focus here is clarity and durability. One of the most talked about aspects is the car's value proposition. While this EV is not sold everywhere globally, in its home market of China, it's been offered at prices that are stunningly low compared to almost every other electric car out there. That affordability is a major part of why it became one of the best-selling EVs shortly after launch. Because it's purposeful in its simplicity. Expected features like advanced driver assistance systems or multi-airbag safety suites are not standard across all trims. Early versions leaned on basic anti-lock braking, tire pressure monitoring, and rear parking sensors, while later variants added driver airbags and other incremental safety upgrades. In everyday urban driving, the Mini EV feels competent. Though it doesn't pretend to be a luxury commuter or highway cruiser, that's not its mission. Performance on the street is unpretentious. Acceleration isn't going to win drag races, but it's linear and predictable. Steering and suspension are tuned more for comfort and ease of use than sporty handling, so you won't find race car dynamics, but you will find something that's easy to park, easy to maneuver, and unfazed by traffic congestion. Let's talk noise and feel. Electric motors are quiet by nature, and this one is no exception. There's a gentle whir as you move, a peaceful hum rather than a roar. You feel connected to the road, and you notice bumps and imperfections, but that's part of knowing you're in a lightweight city car that trades heavyweight isolation for light, nimble practicality. Now, who is this car for? If you're someone who lives in dense cities, needs a second car for errands, or wants a gateway into electric driving without spending big money, this is a compelling candidate. It's particularly clever as a first car for young drivers, or as an affordable alternative for families that already have a larger vehicle for long trips. And on that note, it's worth pointing out that as EV adoption grows, vehicles like the Hong Guang Mini EV serve a bigger purpose. They lower barriers. Not everyone needs a large SUV with a 500-kilometer range. Many simply need a reliable, convenient way to get around town without petrol costs, smog, or traffic frustrations. The Mini EV answers that neatly. Of course, no car is perfect. The limited range means you'll have to plan longer journeys carefully. Highway comfort is not its strong suit. And if you're looking for high performance or luxury, this is squarely outside that universe. But if efficiency, affordability, and simplicity are your priorities, this little EV ticks boxes that many larger cars can't. All in all, the Wuling Hong Guang Mini EV isn't trying to be everything. It's a focused tool, a minimalist electric vehicle crafted for everyday life in cities and towns. It isn't flashy, it isn't ostentatious, it doesn't pretend to outrun bigger cars, but in the spaces it was designed for, it's thoughtful, capable, and oddly endearing. Thanks for watching today's deep dive. If you enjoyed this exploration of the Hong Guang Mini EV, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what car you'd like us to review next.